Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix fail to receive platform SIPT on League of Legends. In order to fix fail to receive SIPT on League of Legends, firstly you need to check if the Riot server status is good and all their servers are up and running. In order to do that, open up your browser. From here search status.riotgames.com, then click on enter. After that, click on continue, and from here you have to select League of Legends. Then you need to select your region, and after that you will see all the issues, and if there is no server related issue in here, that means that their server is okay and the issue is most possibly from your side. After you've checked the server status, go to the search panel of Windows. From here search control panel, then click on open. After that go to system and security, then go to Windows Firewall. After that click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here you have to scroll down until you find Riot Games. Here is Riot Client. So in order to fix this issue, make sure that both private and public is ticked in here. After that you also need to allow League of Legends through here. In order to do that, click on change settings, then allow another app. Now click on browse. Now from here you need to browse the directory of Riot Games. To find the directory of Riot Games, we'll head to the search panel. From here type League of Legends, then click on open file location. After that right click on the League of Legends file, click on open file location, go back to Riot Games, click on League of Legends from here. After that go to the games folder. Now here you can see the League of Legends exe file. So all you need to do is from here copy the folder URL at the top hand side, click on the copy button, minimize, click on browse again, paste the URL in here, then select League of Legends, click on open. After that click on the add button. From here make sure that both private and public are ticked, then click on OK and you're done. After the firewall setting change is done, you need to head to the network button from the bottom right hand side of the screen, right click on it, go to the network and internet settings. From here go to the Ethernet connection. From the DNS server assignment tab, click on the edit button. From here select the DNS of Google as your primary DNS. As your alternative DNS, select 8.8.4.4. Then click on save. Now exit. So after you have changed all these settings, you can easily enjoy League of Legends without any error and continue playing as usual.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.